Welcome, adventurers and survival enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a crucial skill that could make all the difference in the wild. We're mastering the fixed loop formation with braided paracord. This isn't just any knot, it's a cornerstone for countless outdoor applications. From securing gear to setting up shelters, this technique combines strength, reliability, and simplicity, essential for any outdoor challenge. Let's begin. Take your braided paracord and find the working end. This is the part of the rope you'll be actively manipulating. We'll start by forming a simple initial loop. Ensure it's loose enough to manipulate, but not excessively large. Now, bring the working end over the standing part of the rope. This creates the initial crossover point, forming the base of our knot. Pay close attention to the direction of the rope. Precision here ensures the knot forms correctly and holds securely. Next, thread the working end through the loop you just created from underneath. This forms the first critical pass. Pull it through gently, but don't tighten it yet. We're carefully building the structure of the fixed loop, layer by layer. Now, take the working end and pass it behind the standing part. This is where the knot starts to lock into place, creating stability. Guide it smoothly, ensuring the rope doesn't twist or snag. Each movement contributes to the knot's integrity. Then, bring the working end back over the top of the loop you formed earlier. It should now be parallel to the first pass. Carefully thread the working end through the second loop, ensuring it goes over the first strand and under the second. This creates the distinctive braided pattern that gives the fixed loop formation its strength and characteristic look. Adjust the strands so they lie neatly beside each other. The key is precision and ensuring no overlaps or twists. Once the working end is through, you'll clearly see the basic shape of your fixed loop. It should resemble a well-formed eye. Now, gently pull on the working end and the standing part simultaneously. Watch as the knot begins to cinch down. Apply steady, even pressure. The loop should tighten uniformly, drawing together to form a compact and secure structure. Continue pulling until the knot is firm and compact. It should feel solid in your hands, indicating its readiness for use. Ensure there are no loose strands or gaps. A well-tied knot is a safe knot, providing maximum reliability. This knot is specifically designed to hold under significant pressure, making it ideal for critical applications. The braided paracord adds extra grip and durability, enhancing the knot's overall performance and longevity. Feel the security of your work. This fixed loop is now ready for action, a testament to your growing skills. Now, let's put our newly tied fixed loop formation to the ultimate test. We'll demonstrate its incredible strength and reliability. Watch closely as we apply significant force to this knot. Observe how it holds firm, without slipping or deforming under strain. This is the power of a properly tied fixed loop. Its ingenious design distributes the load evenly, preventing any point of failure. Whether you're securing a heavy load, creating an anchor point, or setting up a critical system, this knot won't let you down. It's a testament to its robust construction and the inherent quality of braided paracord, engineered for extreme conditions. This knot is built to endure, providing peace of mind in any challenging environment. Trust in its unwavering strength. And there you have it, the fixed loop formation, a vital addition to any survivalist's or outdoor enthusiast's toolkit. Its applications are vast, from creating secure attachment points for tarps and tents to crafting emergency harnesses. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you tie this knot, the faster and more proficient you'll become. So grab your paracord, keep practicing, and stay prepared for whatever adventures lie ahead. Your skills are your greatest asset. Thank you for joining us on this essential knot tying journey. Stay safe and happy adventuring.